Hey, what's up guys? This is Mike here from MB Reviews and More. Today we're going to do a little something different. I had a problem with my tail light on my 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. Went and purchased a bulb to change the directional, which is a multifunctional bulb. Also operates as the brake light. However, when we took it out, put the bulb in, it was all melted. So we couldn't put the new bulb in because it actually melted it enough to where the metal clips were all messed up. So I purchased a new tail light assembly. Got this bad boy here from Amazon, and I was a little worried because I thought it was going to be real expensive. Believe it or not, though, you can actually get this on Amazon, brand new. Comes with the bulbs already installed, and I got this for 42 bucks, and I got it in like 3 days, which wasn't too bad. It is a little different as far as the setup goes and the bulbs are, but it is supposed to fit. On this particular new model, the clip right here actually was part of the old light assembly. It was already built in, and the wires coming out of the van already had this. So I'm assuming that the new clip, this will just clip into the old clip. But we're about to find out. Hopefully it does fit. I will have the links in the description too if you guys get a van with these years. I think there's like several years that are all the same. If this happens to you, we'll show you. See how the clip on this one here comes out of the van and into the light. So hopefully this clip does go. But basically, to take this one out, we're gonna push that red clip through. If you're not familiar with these locking clips, you gotta slide that red thing through. May need a screwdriver. Push it there a little, and then just pull it out, and it comes right out. And Henry, if you don't mind, just can you open up to show them exactly what happened? You can get a good look there. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see it with this lighting, but it melted the whole the whole thing. And we put this is a new bulb. We put it in, but you can see where it burnt it there, and the metal clips for the other side are just totally gone. They just got wiped out. The only concern we have right now is we don't know what caused this to melt it. So we're hoping it was just maybe a one-time deal. Maybe the clips in the light had broke already and it just surged, power surged it. Not sure, not an electrician, but for 42 bucks, this is a good start. So if it does it again, it's not going to kill me. But you missed it on the video, but to pull the old light out, all she did there was just these two locking clips here that went in there. That's all there is to take that light out. You'll see as we put this new one in. The main thing we got to worry about is to make sure this clip fits that clip. Which it does. Beautiful. Lock that piece back in. Hopefully the light is the same exact size. And if I didn't mention, the lights did come, the bulbs did come with the light too. And I paid like $9 for this, the two bulbs, when we initially went to change them. So it's not a bad deal. I mean, it looks good. Slightly. Oh yeah, there's a little thing there that locks in. There we go, that looks good. I'll hold that there. And we'll just throw the two clips back in. Hopefully you can see it. And we lost one.
Ah, just slid under there.
Oh, there we go. Oops. They are a little tight to push in, but that's good. You want them to be tight. Basically, it's all that's holding this whole entire light assembly in is these two clips. Sorry if the camera's moving around. I'm trying to hold the light and push that in for him.
No. key.
Drawing blood. We're already drawing blood. It's not work till somebody bleeds. Okay, and that looks like maybe just needs a little bit more. We'll get that in a minute. But in the meantime, if I can get my friend Henry here to start her up and hit the brake and the directional. We probably should have did that before we put it together. But that's all right. I'm sure hopefully everything goes well. Again, this is on a 2006 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's very bright, so we do have brake light. And we do have directional. You want to get in, step on the brake, you just hit the reverse, see if we have the reverse light. Yeah, the bulbs are multifunctional, so one bulb does control the brake light and the directional, and the second bulb is for the reverse light. And we do have a reverse light, so that's good. So I mean, that's basically it, guys. Very simple install. Like I said, it was 42 bucks for the whole entire light assembly, which looks really good actually, making me kind of want to get another one for the other side. If this wasn't a work vehicle, I probably would. But very easy to do. Basically, like I said, just the 2 clips, pops out, and then the whole assembly came with the bulb, so there was nothing to it. But if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. And if you liked this video and it was helpful to you, it'd be great if you could smash on that like button, subscribe to the channel. We will have more videos coming up for you. And until next time, MB Reviews and more. Thanks for watching. See ya.